Okay, we are. There we go. We're on. 1, 2, 3. Hello, everyone. Dr. Rich Castellano here. Oh my gosh, what an exciting surprise! It's Nurse Paula at the Aesthetic Show 2018, the Wynn Hotel in Las Vegas. How are you doing?
I'm great. I'm really happy to be here because it's, not that nice back home. It's pouring down rain, so I'm happy to be here in some sunshine.
It's wonderful weather, and what a surprise! It's been so long since we've seen each other. We did a podcast interview. Wait, first tell them about your podcast and how they can find it.
It's pretty cool. It's called It's a Young Thing with Nurse Paula Young. And in video format, I'm on the Plastic Surgery Network on Apple TV and also on YouTube channel. And audio version, it's iTunes, SoundCloud, Tumblr, Spreaker, Stitcher, Spotify, TuneIn, and I think SoundCloud. I think I got them all.
That's a lot of channels. And that's how, so we did an interview a while back, and now we're refreshing all of our interviews. So
you were one of my guests, so it was great. He was a guest on my show, and so now I get to return the favor.
We're spreading the love. So what's been your favorite part of the Aesthetic Show so far?
This is what's really cool, is the show is 12 years old, and we've been coming for 12 years.
Wow.
So we're lifers.
Wow.
My husband and I started coming to the show when we just first got into aesthetic. We left internal medicine, went strictly into cosmetic medicine, and we were newbies, and we came here, and it's such an embracing environment. There's so many practitioners from so many different walks of medicine. It's a very welcoming, nurturing type of environment. Everybody is very helpful here.
And it's important for it to be embracing and inclusive. Why? Because you learn better. The flow of ideas and creativity is better because some meetings can be more restricted. The ego can come in and say, well, you're not allowed to do this, and you're not allowed to do that. But we're here to learn. We're here to serve our patients. Once you've graduated from medical school, you know how to handle patients, but now we want to let the information flow, and not all meetings are as open.
Exactly. And the technology and the different treatments and products that are here, I've never seen this in any other trade show floor. I mean, anything that you're possibly interested in is at this show. And every year we come home with something new, so.
I love it. Well, now you focus on spreading the word, right?
I do.
The greatest leaders are the greatest storytellers. What an amazing storyteller you are. Now, how do you like to guide people so that they can make the right choices? Because there's a lot of confusing and conflicting information in the art and science of cosmetic procedures and plastic surgery. How do you like to guide the message and educate people so they can make their best choices?
Well, I think social media in general, and your celebrities and your starlets that are getting these procedures done, a lot of times they're advertised wrong. They're talking about the procedure incorrectly, and it's very misleading. There's a lot of misconceptions out there, and people are really confused. So in my podcast series, I'm no holds bar. I just tell people like it is. I don't sugarcoat anything.
Unfiltered.
Unplugged, that's it.
Raw.
I'm unplugged, unfiltered, and I tell people, like, this is who it's for, this is who it's not for, this is how you get the best benefits out of it, and this is how you can get ripped off. And then it's up to you to make the decision if it's something you want to pursue, to get a consultation, and find out if maybe it's something for you or not. But knowledge is power. The more knowledge you have, the more powerful the decision you can make. Just like coming to the show. My husband has done well over 7,000 smart lipo procedures.
Wow.
Does that mean he stops listening to other docs that do smart lipo and body sculpting? No. He's learning from everybody learns from everybody else. And I always say, anybody who thinks that they know everything knows nothing.
Yeah, we never know everything. There's so much to learn. But is that the most popular thing, is the smart lipo? What's really popular in your practice?
Well, the number one thing that we do is body shaping and body sculpting. We have multiple devices to do that. We have smart lipo. We also have the Body Tight. But my husband also does a fat transfer procedures to the breast, to the buttocks, to the face, to the hands. We do a lot of micronized fat procedures, a lot of stem cell procedures from fat. But radio frequency is the coolest thing that hit our practice like last year.
Awesome.
So we're getting a lot of technologies in that incorporate the use of radio frequency energy, because people don't want that downtime. They want results, and they're willing to trade off, okay, I'll wait 3 months to see those results so I don't have the downtime.
Right. Nobody wants surgery, and if you have a non-surgical option that works, it's worth trying as long as their expectations are appropriate.
Exactly. Yeah. You have to really go through your consultation and find out if you're the right candidate for some of these non-invasive procedures.
It is always a joy to spend time with Nurse Paula, and thank you for co-hosting this video
You're
with
welcome. welcome.
So how can people find out more about the practice and tell them about the podcast one more time?
Oh, sure. Our website is youngmedicalspa.com. That is, for our medical practice. But if you're really interested in listening to any kind of episodes on It's a Young Thing podcast, where I talk to people like Dr. Rich here about some of the things he do, I also talk about with other people like what helps you become your best self. Spirituality, mindfulness, diet, exercise. I bring in a lot of people on the show that, because sometimes, looking good doesn't mean you feel that great. There's a lot of other things that incorporate into feeling your best. So you can listen to it on iHeartRadio, iTunes, SoundCloud, Tumblr, Spreaker, Stitcher, TuneIn, Spotify, Apple TV, The Plastic Surgery Network by Living Sage, and also on YouTube.
Wow.
That's a lot.
What an amazing celebrity.
Big
Thank you
business
so
card.
much for Nurse Paula.
You're welcome.
Gracing us with your presence. More video interviews coming soon. Thank you all for watching at The Aesthetic Show, the Wynn Hotel in Las Vegas. See you soon.
Bye.